In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in n8n, organize your workflows. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up a growing list of workflows so you can find what you need faster and keep your workspace clean and efficient. First, head over to the left-hand side of your n8n screen and click on Personal. This is where your workflows live by default, and it gives you a clear list of everything you've created. If your list has been getting long, this is the perfect moment to think about how you want to group things, maybe by project, client, or purpose, so the next steps feel intentional rather than random. Now look to the top right of the screen. You'll see a folder icon with a small plus symbol on it. That's your cue for creating a new folder. It's designed to be quick and easy, so you don't have to dig through settings or menus. Go ahead and click that folder icon. You'll be prompted to enter a folder name. Choose something short, descriptive, and consistent with any naming style you already use. Clear names make it simple to recognize what belongs where later on. When you've typed the name, click Create. Your new folder will appear in your list, ready to hold your workflows. If you're organizing several themes or projects, you can repeat this process to set up a few folders at once. But for now, let's focus on just one to see how it works. With your folder in place, it's time to move workflows into it. From your list in Personal, simply drag and drop a workflow onto the folder. You'll see visual feedback as you drag, and when you release, the workflow moves into that folder. Nothing about the workflow itself changes. It doesn't run differently or lose any settings. This is purely about organization. If you make a mistake, you can always drag it back out later using the same motion. Work methodically, moving one workflow at a time, and watch your list become more manageable in seconds. That's all there is to it. Open Personal to view your workflows. Click the folder icon with the plus to create a folder, name it, click Create, and then drag and drop your workflows into that folder. A little structure goes a long way, and once your workspace is organized, you'll spend less time searching and more time building. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused n8n environment.